Namaskar, Honorable Minister of Railways, Information and Broadcasting and Electronics and IT, Sri Ashwini Vaishnav Sir, Honorable Minister of Civil Aviation, Sri Kinjalappu Ram Mohan Naidu Sir, Honorable Minister of State for Railways, Sri Ranveer Singh Sir, respected CRB, Srimati Jaya Verma Sinha Ma'am, Secretary Civil Aviation, Sri Wum Lungman Walnam Sir, members of Railway Board, Vice Chancellor Gadi Shakti Vishwavidyalaya, Professor Manoj Chaudhary Sir, President and Managing Director, Airbus India and South Asia, Mr. Reme Maya Sir, other delegates from Airbus, all senior railway officials present today, and representatives from the media. A warm welcome to all of you to this significant occasion of signing of an agreement between Gadi Shakti Vishwavidyalaya and Airbus to enhance aerospace human capital. This agreement is pursuant to the successful MOU signed between GSV and Airbus on the 7th of September 2023, solidifying a commitment to excellence and innovation in aerospace sector. Since the signing of the MOU, tangible actions have been set in motion that exemplify the growing partnership between GSV and Airbus. Today, we are proud to announce several initiatives that underscore this joint commitment to fostering education, innovation, and international collaboration in aviation sector. We have here with us today the Vice Chancellor of Gadi Shakti Vishwavidyalaya, Professor Manoj Chaudhary Sir. May I invite Professor Manoj Chaudhary Sir to address the gathering. Please, sir.
Good morning, Honorable Minister of Railways, Electronics and IT and Information Broadcasting, Sri Ashwini Vaishnav Ji, Honorable Minister of Civil Aviation, Sri Ram Mohan Naidu Ji, Honorable Minister of State Railways, Sri Ranveer Singh Ji, Minister, the Chairman of the Railway Board, Jaya Verma Sinha Ji, Secretary Civil Aviation, Sri Walnam Ji, President and Managing Director, Airbus India and South Asia, Sri Reme Maya. Gati Shakti Vishwavidyalaya, as it was established as a central university through an act of parliament in August of 2022, primarily to complement PM Gati Shakti National Master Plan that was announced in 2021, October, for superior infrastructure development by building synergies across ministries, followed by National Logistics Policy in September of 2022, that is to leverage and create logistics services in an efficient manner to bring down the cost of logistics in India. Therefore, Gati Shakti Vishwavidyalaya's primary goal is to exclusively focus on entire transportation sector, including railways, aviation, ports, shipping, waterways, roads, highways, and so on, and the logistics sector. In order to do so, we started under the active guidance from our Chancellor, Sri Ashwini Vaishnav Ji, to be a 21st century university by being an industry-driven university and innovation-led university. By industry-driven, all curriculum is made with significant inputs from industry. Several members of industry come and teach at our university. And in terms of innovation-driven, we are starting those kind of research works which actually will lead to cutting-edge development in the sector. At this moment, we are having BTech programs in rail engineering. We are starting this year with the support with Airbus, a BTech in aviation engineering. All the entrance is through the joint JOSA counseling, through the JEE mains exam. We are starting along with Delhi Metro Rail Corporation, Metro Rail Management Program and MBA program. We are starting with Ministry of Port, Shipping, Waterways and Indian Maritime University, a joint program, MBA in Port and Shipping Logistics. We have a very successful MBA program in Logistics and Supply Chain Management, which we are now extending to working professionals. This year, in order to significantly build capability for the railway sector, we are starting MTech programs for field officers working in the Indian Railways and PhD program also for railways in the transportation sector. Apart from this, we are having several executive training programs for skilling working professionals in the sector. We have done programs for railway sector. Now we are launching the first program for executive training of working professionals in aviation sector in the next month. Further, We have signed up a significant number of important MOUs with Airbus, with Ministry of Commerce and Industry, with Gujarat Infrastructure Development Board, Nokia, Placer India, Jacobs, and many companies, Karmyogi Bharat, to build capacity in India. We believe by creating a stronger ecosystem, even with academic partnership with IIM Mumbai, IIT Gandhinagar, IIT Jodhpur, we believe that we will imbibe the soul of the PM Gati Shakti plan by building synergies across the ecosystem and create ecosystem where skilled professionals in a large quantity can be produced to transform India towards Viksit Bharat. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir, for the insightful words. May I now invite Mr. Remy Maya, sir, President and Managing Director, Airbus India and South Asia, to offer his insights on this occasion. Please.
Honorable Minister of Railways, Information and Broadcasting, Government of India, Shri Ashwini Ji. Honorable Minister of Civil Aviation, Government of India, Shri Ram Mohan Naidu Ji. Honorable Minister of State, Shri Ravneet Ji. Chairperson and CEO, Railway Board, Srimati Jayavarna Sinha. VOCA Secretary, Shri Bhuvanam Ji. GSV Vice Chancellor, Professor Dr. Shudari, and member of Railway Board, dignitaries for the Ministries of Government of India, members of the media, ladies and gentlemen. It is a very special day for Airbus today. Just 8 months ago, we signed an MOU with the Gati Shakti University here in this very room for a holistic partnership to develop aerospace human capital for India. Today we're back here to deliver on our promise, to walk the talk on developing a vital pillar of any industry ecosystem, skilled manpower. We subscribe to the Government of India's Gati Shakti vision of seamless and efficient connectivity. We're committed to developing India as a global aviation hub and to further supporting the growth of the commercial aviation industry in the country. Under this partnership with the GSV, we will bring in our global expertise to develop the best diverse talents in India and build a strong pipeline of skilled workforce for the sector. For us, human capital is a vital piece in an integrated aerospace ecosystem. We believe this partnership with Gati Shakti is a 360-degree path-breaking initiative. It is unique because with GSV, we will develop an on-campus center of excellence for innovation and R&D in aerospace. We will institute an Airbus chair professor for aerospace studies. We will fund engineering studies of underprivileged and meritorious students. And we will develop the regular academic curriculum and executive courses of GSV. And I'm very pleased to report that the very first course of this curriculum will start no later than next month. And it will be about safety. And is there anything more important than safety when it comes to aviation and transportation? But why are we doing this at Airbus? Well, let me tell you something. We're doing this because for Airbus, India is not just a mere market. India is a strategic resource hub. And we are expanding our industrial footprint, including designing and manufacturing aircraft and helicopters. We are sourcing components and services. And we are setting up pilot and maintenance training centers. Today, Airbus in India has about 3,500 full-time employees, mostly engineers and digital professionals. We support an additional 15,000 jobs in our supply chain in India. Our sourcing from India stands at more than $1 billion every year, which we'll look to further expand in the coming years, including with the manufacturing of the doors of the A220 or A320, or the manufacturing of the flap track beams of the 220 or the 330, all very critical and complex systems, made in India and for the world. We're building not one, but 2 final assembly lines in the country. One for the C295 military transporter in the hometown of the GSV in Baroda, Gujarat. And we are building another final assembly line for the H-125 helicopter. The C-295 program in Baroda and in Hyderabad will create 25,000 jobs in the country, 25 skilled jobs for the country. And we are developing the Airbus India Training Center in Gurgaon, together with our good partner Air India, that will train 5,000 pilots in the coming 10 years. 5,000 pilots in the coming 10 years. This is significant. Every Airbus commercial aircraft, every Airbus helicopter has parts and technologies that are designed, manufactured, and maintained in India. We make in India, we assemble in India, we design in India, we innovate in India, and we train and educate in India. All of this to power the overall exponential growth of the commercial aviation industry in the country, India needs large-scale skilled human capital. And this is why we're committed to developing strong links with academia, starting with the GSV. GSV is dedicated to serving the transportation and logistics sectors. Our collaboration with Gati Shakti tackles the challenges of capacity building as well as student support. So ladies and gentlemen, we'll continue to invest in developing skilled manpower in India, and we look to the government of India for support and guidance in our endeavor to unlock the full potential of the aviation and transportation sector in India. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. This partnership will truly be a 360-degree path-breaking initiative to enhance the aerospace human capital in India. Now we shall proceed to the signing of the agreement. May I invite Vice Chancellor, Gati Shakti Vishwavidyalaya, Professor Manoj Chaudhary, sir, and Mr. Reme Maya, sir, President and Managing Director, Airbus India and South Asia, for signing the agreement between GSV and Airbus. The agreement, pursuant to the MOU signed on 7 September 2023, includes various actionable areas to develop aerospace capital, human capital in India. Airbus shall financially support 40 BTech meritorious and needy students from GSV for entire duration of 4 years program. Airbus shall also be setting up a center of excellence at the GSV and shall set up and sponsor Airbus Aviation Chair Professor position at GSV. With the signing of this agreement, the partnership has strengthened and embarked on a path of continued success. I request the signatories to please exchange the agreements. Let us give a warm round of applause as we witness the exchange of a transformational agreement between GSV and Airbus that will build sustainable partnership for industry-academia collaboration. Thank you, sirs. I request Mr. Manoj Chaudhary, sir, and Mr. Reme Maya, sir, to please take your seats on the stage. I would now like to invite Honorable Minister of State for Railways, Sri Ranveer Singh, sir, to share his insights on this occasion. Please, sir.
हमारे बहुत ही रिस्पेक्टेड ऑनरेबल जिनका ये पेट प्रोजेक्ट अभी मुझे बचा रहे थे कि किस तरीके से मैंने ये थॉट प्रोसेस करने के लिए 2014 से ये शुरुआत की, और मैं खास तौर पे ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टर श्री अश्विनी वैष्णव जी को बहुत बहुत इसलिए मुबारकबाद बधाई देता हूँ, और हमारे ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टर सिविल एविएशन नायडू साहब, बहुत ज़्यादा आपको भी वेलकम रेलवे मिनिस्ट्री में, और हमारे खास तौर पे CRB NCO श्रीमती जय वर्मा सिन्हा जी, हमारे सेक्रेटरी सिविल एविएशन मेंबर रेलवे बोर्ड, वाइस चांसलर साहब जिन्होंने अभी ये MOU साइन किया है, प्रेसिडेंट एंड MD एयरबस इंडिया एंड साउथ एशिया। मुझे तो अभी कुछ ही दिन हुए हैं ज्वाइन किए, तो मैं सिर्फ ये कह सकता हूँ जो रेलवे मिनिस्टर, उनका सोच है, विजन है, वाकई एक रिमार्केबल रेलवे को और सारे बाकी भी जितने ट्रांसपोर्ट को जोड़ने की जितनी बढ़िया एक कोशिश हुई है, खासतौर एयरबस रिमार्केबल ये पॉइंट है। और ये तो शुरुआत है, मैं ये कह सकता हूँ वे हमारे कैबिनेट मंत्री साहब जितनी आगे आने वाले दिनों में मैं समझता हूँ बहुत बड़ी गति शक्ति की बात तो है, लेकिन वाकई हर ट्रांसपोर्ट सेक्टर से रेलवे जोड़ के उसे में गति आएगी। और मैं इस शुभकामना देता हूँ। और ऐसे ही जो अभी एयरबस ने बताया है उनके किस तरीके से जॉब यहाँ पे क्रिएट होंगी, और ख़ास तौर पे बहुत हमारे जो बच्चे हैं डिग्री लेके, खासतौर जिस मैं स्टेट से आता हूँ, बहुत लोग विदेश में जाते हैं, फॉरेन कंट्रीज में जाते हैं। तो जब ऐसी चीज़ें जो मंत्री जी ने सोच रखा होगा तो ज़रूर हमारे स्टूडेंट्स जो वहाँ जाके एयरबस में जॉब करते हैं, मुझे पता है बहुत ज़्यादा उनकी नंबर हैं जो खासतौर हमारी स्टेट्स में वहाँ जाते हैं, देश से जाते हैं, उनको यहाँ पे ये डिग्रीज करके यहाँ पे उनको जॉब्स मिलेंगी। और यही है, यही विजन है, यही सोच है भी हम अपने जितना ब्रेन ड्रेन हो रहा है उसे रोकें। उसको रोकने के लिए ये मैं खास तौर पे फिर एक बार मंत्री जी को और उनकी सारी टीम को बहुत बहुत ये मुबारकबाद देता हूँ। ऐसे मौके आते रहेंगे आगे ऐसी, क्योंकि मैं अभी 5 मिनट के लिए मिला, उन्होंने इतना फोकस किया इस चीज़ के लिए। मेरा पेट प्रोजेक्ट जब कहा है तो आप देखो ये वाकई कहाँ पहुँचेगा। तो मैं कामना करता हूँ उनके साथ, उनसे सीखने का मौका बहुत मिलेगा मुझे। और आज पहली बार उनके साथ स्टेज पे मौका मिला है, तो आगे ऐसी चीज़ें होती रहेंगी। और शुभकामनाओं मैं सारे रेलवे मिनिस्ट्री को, हमारे चेयरमैन, हमारे मेंबर सिमान और सारे स्टाफ को ये बड़ी उपलब्धि के लिए मुबारकबाद देता हूँ। थैंक यू।
Thank you, sir, for sharing your thoughts and wishes on this occasion. Now, it is my privilege to welcome Honorable Minister of Civil Aviation, Sri Kinjarapu Ram Mohan Naidu, sir, to address this gathering. Please.
అందరికీ నమస్కారం. Honorable Minister Railways Ashwini Vaishnav ji, Honorable Minister of State Railways Ravneet ji, and Vice Chancellor Manoj Chaudhary ji, Chairman Railway Board Sani ji, and our Secretary Civil Aviation Mang ji, and also MD Airbus Remy Maya. I hope I'm saying it properly. Yeah, Remy Maya ji, and all the important dignitaries and officials that are present here. Andarki Marokasari Namaskaram. It's a Telugu way of greeting all of you. My warm greetings to each and every one of you. And first of all, my sincere thanks to Honorable Minister Ashwini Vaishnav ji for making sure that I'm here, because he understands that the partnership between railways and civil aviation is very, very important in the growth of this country. And he ensured that I am there present for this event. So my special thanks to him for inviting me. And also special thanks to Airbus for entering into this very important MOU with Gati Shakti Vishwavidyalaya, which is also very important for both civil aviation and also the logistical sector of this country. Civil aviation, if you see, is the most promising sectors of this country.